Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the active specification. This car's been upgraded to feature the 18-inch alloy wheels, have tinted rear windows and the black roof. You also get reverse parking sensors, there's the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine, it gives you 120 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. Car's done under 14,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.